Is it possible for a juvenile who commits some type of offense or crime to get charged as an adult? And the answer is yes, a juvenile can be charged as an adult. First of all, let's define juvenile. A juvenile is any person 17 years or younger. So if you're 17, it's treated as a juvenile, which is a separate court. You're not treated as an adult in Superior Criminal Court. It's a juvenile in a juvenile court. There's a lot of important distinctions. Number one, the whole focus of juvenile court is rehabilitation. Although there are some rehabilitative aspects in Superior Court, in general, they're there to punish you and to find out what's going on. Not so in the juvenile court. There's all kinds of programs. It is lighter sentences. So you want, if you have a young person who commits a crime, you want it to stay down in the juvenile court. However, getting back to the question is, when can a juvenile be treated as an adult? Personally, I think that's very, very unfair. However, the answer is yes. Predominantly if they're 16 or 17. They could if they're 15 or 14. It's a lot harder. There's a higher standard. But if they're 16 or 17 and they commit a first-degree crime, okay, there's not much you can do. You have a hearing, but the law heavily favors if the prosecutors move to get them moved up to an adult, and it's like a first-degree crime as a juvenile, like some type of robbery, like some type of serious attempted murder, or a homicide, or something very serious. Typically, though, you see a lot of robberies. It's very, very difficult. We don't have much leverage to stop it, even though I'm against it morally. So it's very important you get a good lawyer to schmooze. Particularly if you're 16 or 17 and it's a serious crime, first or second degree, it can get moved up into the adult court, and you don't want that. One thing I would do is I usually go out and get some type of doctor, a psychologist, to come and evaluate the child. If the parents don't have a lot of money, then I try to get one for free, what's called ancillary funds, to come in and do a report. Do anything you can to keep a juvenile from getting waived up as an adult. Not only because, like I said, I think it's morally not correct, but the consequences are a lot stronger, a lot more draconian if it moves up to the adult level.